Hello guys, welcome back to another video on Twitter. Yesterday we started a Colin. Don't die, I'm in the middle of my intro, Colin. Stop! There we go. Right now I have to see Colin's life. We begun Terraria yesterday, and I'm hoping to do daily videos on Terraria, so stick around for that. And my aim for this video is to try and get armor. Yesterday we got some, I don't know, pretty good stuff I'd say. But we need to get better. I hate the senior statue, get rid of it. I've got a number, small pickaxe. Well, not always small, just a number to do the pickaxe. Because I hate doing the axe and it's not working. So I see it's nighttime, this is my first night in the game. So I'm going to maybe just try and defend for now. I don't know if they're going to break a lot. That'd be pretty terrifying. But alright, so Colin, I don't want Colin to die basically. So, I know I died yesterday. No Colin. I wonder how I can make armor. I know I can make wooden armor, but like I got tin here. Maybe I can make tin armor. Little tin man. Oh Colin, you just defend. Maybe I can just go and ask Colin. Colin, what was that? I killed the bunny. Oops. A fallen star. Get away from Colin. I actually like Colin. Instead, I kind of insulted him last one. But if I put tin, I look at this. Oh, I can tin on an anvil. Colin, let me guess how you make an anvil. You need something like iron. I don't know. Tin watch. Object, a table and chair. Wow, that's useless. But, alright, I need to make an anvil. How do I make an anvil? I don't know. Maybe I should just go mining, see if I come across an anvil. I didn't really go mining last video. I just kind of stuck on the surface and came across some trees. I came across this and this might be a start for a good mine. I didn't have torches. Oh, here they are. Gel and any wood. Alright? That's it. I've got 36 torches. I don't need that on me right now. Good. There we go. I love that for dynamic lighting. So I came over yesterday. And here we go on mine. Is that a zombie up top? Because I know zombies hold toys. Mine. No. Bird. Kill it, bird. No. Alright, I know zombies are bad. They're just not nice. If they try and kill you, they're bad. Water. I also know you can drown, so that was fun. Oh, it goes and it drains. Ooh, what's this? Stone. Olives. Alright. I've not got this. Alright, so maybe it's like lead. Because it's got tin. Oh, I need torch out. It's got tin. I'm guessing there'll be lead. What's that? Oh, silver! No, actually, I think it might be silver. I know my torch goes out when I enter water. That ain't good. Right, mine. Oh, I just got light there. Lead! I told you there'd be lead. Come on. My bubbles slowly deflating. No, I fell. Nick, get me. They're there. They're there. Oh, wait. Oh, shift activates a light source. That's cool. But it turned out there's lead up there. Oh, what's this? Please be lead. Oh, it's tin. I guess more tin could be useful. What did I just die by? A boulder. How was that possible? I didn't even see that. Nah, not okie dokie. No. Right, but now I'm back. I got that much lead. That much. How do I even make bars? How do I make bars? Tell me, is it out stone? I'm guessing you're gonna make a bar. Oh, a stain would. Right. And maybe if I put in tin ore, nothing. You can't like make a tin bar. Lead maybe. Oh, show recipes. Oh, furnace. What are these weird shooting stars again? I need a furnace. How to make a furnace? This game's got too many questions. These shooting stars give me the creeps. They just come out of nowhere. I wonder if they do damage. Right, let's go back to where I was mining. Okay, I'm going to collect some stone, because that might be useful. But I do hope you did like the last video I did on Terraria. This is the day after, so I'm hoping it's doing well. I know it won't have that many viewers, but I hope you're liking it. So, ow! What was that? Well, was that a worm? I hate the noise it makes. Oh, I got it. I need a finch. That's what it's called. Right, I'm just going to continue mine. I'm going to collect some of the stone. I saw there was stone up there and I'm really dumb, alright? Job you already learned that. Right. Although I have not tried to look at any of the achievements I get in this game. Oh, that's massive. Get me out, get me out. That's massive worm. No, 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 no. Devourer. I can't say it, but I don't care. Was that like a baby one? I thought before. Colin, you didn't warn me about this. You are an idiot, Colin. You didn't warn me. I know already how to make wood and then to make a shelter. You didn't warn me, Colin. You just said, oh, sorry about that. There is massive worms that try and kill you. No, you get an axe, you chop wood. I'm not really falling stars, do. Oh, do I? What's that? Oh, a demon eye. Oh, they come after me. This is a nice base. I actually might find it. See, it's got like a baseline here. Oh, no, 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 no. You're not killing me. No, not today. Not today. No, that weird thing. Die. Die. It's an eater of souls. Die, 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 die. Alright, I think I've trapped them. Finch attack. Alright, I think I've got him. Oh, maybe I can capture him as a pet. Oh, no, another one there. No, he's got me, he's got me. Oh, I got him. I can't get him as a pet. Maybe if I just, come on, come on. I see him. See ya, come on. Through here. Through here. I'm starting to think that wooden helmet I made does nothing. Because I think it truly does. It doesn't do anything. Can I make more? Oh, I need to get more wood. Maybe that Colin was trying to help me out. Hello, Colin. I still hate you. I still do. And if you're going to think stealing stuff from me, no, Colin. Right. There we go. A furnace! Why am I getting this stupid wood armor? Here we go, lead. Oh no, I still need what was it, an anvil? Anvil. Oh, a chest, that might be useful. Other than that, no anvil. Squivel, squivel. Oh, it's not a bunny, but it's a squirrel. 5 HP. Pathetic. 14 HP. A bit stronger. Right, I did see Beastionary. Let's see what I've got so far. The guide. You're called Jevil. You're not Jevil, jeez. You're called Colin. Not the guide. The green cap. Wow. The bunny. Yes, my favourite. I've killed 3 of them, it says. I need to step up. A bird. Never seen that. Squirrel. Just saw that then. A worm. I probably have seen these, and I just haven't actually been paying attention. Yeah, zombie. That's a DNI. And that's the thing I hate. Where's the thing that attacked me? Oh, the giant. Was it a giant worm? But when I read out, it said something different. It didn't say giant worm. It said devourer. I still can't say it. Right, so my goal is to get armor. Just can I get some armor? I don't know how you make an anvil, but I'm gonna get it. I demand for me to get it. Right, oh, this seems good. Topaz. I don't think I'm gonna need topaz. Oh, right. Come across something I need. I bet I'm like passing millions of it, and I'm just not paying attention. What's that up there? That didn't work. Need to my bridge. Boop. Can you tap? Oh, towering in much easier. Tin. I don't need more tin unless it makes an anvil. Other than that, I don't need it. Unless I get an anvil and I make tin armor, I don't know. By the time I get tin armor, I'll have like titanium or diamond. Oh, goldfish! What's this? Oh! Turns out I have these and they emit light. I can't find stupid tin or lead. Alright, I don't think I'm going to be able to find it. Maybe I need a better mine. That. Right, let me look at the map again. Alright, maybe over there might be promising. Alright, I'll check this cave, and then I'll see what I can do next. I wish there was a way to get speed. Actually, there is! I've got a quick increased movement speed. Let me just get my feet ready to get ambushed. What kind of worms? How do I use it? Right click. I got some worms. You're saying that's it? I just got some worms. Bait. What do you mean by bait? Oh, does it mean for fishing? Oh, I like my mushroom. Nom nom nom. Another tree, I know this. Oh, I know that. Wait, no, wrong potion. Oops, that just does light. Oh, what's that? Who cares or something? Wait, I think that's tin. Don't need tin. Oh, different colour. Is that a worm? No, it just looks like drip. Oh no, I'm not gonna be able to get. Oh, rope! Come on, come on. Yeah. Can I bridge with rope? Oh, I can. Boop. Now, oh, this is new. House! An underground house. What statue is that? Cobweb. Oh, a chest. Hermes boots. Mana. What's mana? Oh, that must be mana. Silver coin. Sure, I'll take it. Torches, yes. And lead! Yes! Anything else that might be used for me? No, but I got lead. Come on. Please say I can make an anvil. Please, where's the potion? There it is. Come on, lead. Lead. Anvil, anvil, anvil. It can't make an anvil, can it? How do I make an anvil? Oh, it can! An anvil! Now, hit me up with the armor. I can't make armor, but I can at least make a better sword, I guess. There we go. And I think I'm going to end it here today as well. So stick around for tomorrow when I'm going to be posting another one. And I think it's pretty successful. We got lead, broadsword. I got a bit more armor I'll explore some more. And I think this can be end. Goodbye. Hope you like.